Have you ever had something break down at the worst possible time? It's incredibly frustrating, isn't it? Maybe it was your car on the way to a big interview. You were all set, dressed to impress, and then, bam, your car decides to quit on you. Or perhaps it was your washing machine, right before a big date. You had the perfect outfit planned, but now you're stuck with dirty laundry. Not fun, right? That's where routine maintenance comes in. It's the unsung hero that keeps everything running smoothly. Think of it like brushing your teeth, but for your stuff. Just as you wouldn't skip brushing your teeth, you shouldn't skip maintaining your belongings. Regular maintenance helps avoid those big, stressful breakdowns. It's all about prevention. A little effort now can save you a lot of trouble later. Whether it's a car, a washing machine, or a giant piece of factory equipment, everything benefits from a little TLC. Don't wait for things to fall apart. Take action now to keep everything in top shape. So, what is routine maintenance? Routine maintenance means taking care of your things before they break down. It involves regularly checking, cleaning, and fixing items to keep them in good condition. Why bother? Because it keeps things running smoothly and prevents bigger problems. Think of it like going to the doctor for a checkup. You might feel fine, but a doctor can catch small issues before they become big problems. The same goes for your equipment. There are several types of routine maintenance that help keep everything running smoothly. One type is preventive maintenance, which is like changing your car's oil regularly to prevent engine problems. It involves taking steps to avoid issues before they occur, ensuring that everything stays in good working order. Another type is predictive maintenance, which uses data to predict when something might break down. It's similar to your car warning you when you need new brakes, allowing you to address potential problems before they become serious. The last type is corrective maintenance, which involves fixing something after it breaks. While it's the least ideal option, sometimes it's necessary when unexpected issues arise. Routine maintenance is important for several reasons. First, it saves you time, money, and headaches by keeping your equipment in top condition. Regularly checking and servicing your equipment can significantly extend its lifespan. Just as taking care of your body keeps you healthy, taking care of your equipment keeps it running smoothly. Regular cleaning, lubrication, and adjustments help prevent wear and tear, which prolongs the life of your equipment. Additionally, routine maintenance helps reduce repair costs by identifying and fixing small issues before they become major problems. Catching problems early is always cheaper than dealing with big repairs, making preventive maintenance a cost-effective strategy. Consistent maintenance also prevents downtime, ensuring your operations aren't interrupted by unexpected breakdowns so you don't waste time waiting for repairs. Moreover, it enhances safety by identifying potential hazards early on. Well-maintained equipment is less likely to cause accidents, and keeping all safety features functional protects both your workers and your investment. To implement a routine maintenance plan effectively, start by creating a schedule that outlines what needs to be done and how often. Write it down to keep everyone on the same page. Using checklists can help ensure all necessary tasks are remembered and completed. Training your team is also crucial, as everyone should know the basics of maintenance. Consider using maintenance software to track everything in one place. The key to success is consistency. Make routine maintenance a regular habit. However, even with the best intentions, mistakes can happen, and these can be costly when it comes to machinery and equipment. One common mistake is ignoring small problems. While a minor issue might seem insignificant, it can escalate quickly. That little squeak might be nothing, or it could be a sign of a bigger problem. Addressing small issues early can save you a lot of trouble down the line. Another mistake is inconsistent scheduling. Regular maintenance is crucial for the longevity of your equipment, so sticking to your maintenance plan is essential, even when life gets busy. Skipping scheduled maintenance can lead to unexpected breakdowns and expensive repairs. Additionally, overlooking documentation can be a costly error. Keeping detailed records of all maintenance activities is vital for troubleshooting problems, tracking expenses, and gaining valuable insights into the performance and reliability of your equipment. Remember, a little routine maintenance goes a long way. Regular checks and timely interventions can prevent major issues, saving you both time and money. So, go ahead. Take care of your stuff. Your machinery will thank you, and so will your wallet. If you found this content helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more insights. Also, visit our website at www.micromain.com. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.